Hey there, little chefs! Do you want to make something super yummy and easy all by yourself? Well, today, we have a super fun recipe just for you. But wait! Before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a fun recipe. Ready? Let's go! Hey there, little chefs! I'm Chef Sarah. Today, we're making no-bake chocolate peanut butter bowls. They're super easy, need just a few ingredients, and taste amazing. Here's what we need. 1 cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 cup of oats, cup of chocolate chips. That's it. Super simple, right? First, let's mix the peanut butter and honey together until it's all smooth and creamy. This already smells so good. Now, let's add the oats and chocolate chips. Stir, stir, stir. Mix everything together until it looks like cookie dough. Now comes the fun part. Roll them into little balls just like this, and then pop them in the fridge for 20 minutes. Wow, these are so good! Soft, chocolatey, and just the right amount of sweetness. You have to try this at home. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what we should make next. And don't forget to subscribe so you can cook with me every week. See you next time, little chefs. Bye!